느낌? 라인이 앞에가 진하면 고객님이 크림이 굉장히 커.
If
그래서
the
진하면 안
line,
돼.
the front one is the line is really strong, the people doesn't like it.
예. 오 마이
Whenever we
갓.
do the
So I'm Dr. Pooja Chabra, and I am also a certified trichologist and a cosmetologist. I've been practicing in Singapore for many years, and I really thought that, you know, if I can learn semi-permanent makeup, it would really add on to my profile. So semi-permanent makeup has become very popular now. It's been, trending everywhere, and at the same time, especially when it comes to doing hairline, a lot of people need it nowadays because a lot of people are facing hair fall. So I thought that, you know, this was something that I can really help people with, and it's a technique that is taught very well in Mikwang Academy. So I really wanted to learn it.
팔이 이 1.5cm 똑같이
straight line, yes, almost straight,
네.
but not really straight.
그대로 5개.
And then 8 is finished, and then second is the 5 lines. Makeup, also that part is dark and then gradation, right?
예. 앞이 진하면 고객님이 앵글이 화가 나고 와 이거 뭐야 이렇게 화낼 수 있어요.
You need to hear the sound. There's no sound.
그 다음에 니들은 바늘의 굵기와 굵기와 니들의 개수가 있어요.
So in my course, I did a 10-day course on semi-permanent makeup, and I learned about how to draw eyebrows, which is the main part. It actually is almost, you know, the 70% of the technique that you learn overall. Then I also learned how to draw an eyeliner. Although it is something which is a little risky because you're actually handling eyes, but they taught us very well. The next thing that we learned was how to draw hairlines and how to draw the lips as well. So people who have dark colored pigmented lips, this is something that can help them achieve nice pink plumpy lips as well. So these are all the things that we learned in the semi-permanent makeup in Mikwang Academy. Vivian is a great trainer, and also Gina, who is the translator. Both of them work with you one-on-one. I had a great experience, very friendly and very, very understanding. Also at the same time, they make sure that you're able to understand and you're able to learn the techniques very well. The way the course is designed is that you really have to practice, and you really have to make sure that you know the technique. And you know, your hand works a certain way when you are practicing these techniques. So they pay a lot of attention to these details.
랄라이 투모로우맘 모델 이쪽에
자, 여기 라인 달 때도 여기서부터는 살살 바늘을 꽉 누르는 게 아니라 약간 살살 오케이? 다크 예.
And then the line also.
I feel fantastic. I can't wait to go back and start practicing and start doing it for other people. Yes, I feel much more confident. I really want to, have a lot of people coming to me. I really enjoy doing the hairline especially. So that is something that I feel that, you know, it comes very naturally to me, and I would love to practice more of that.
그다음에 마치
Put more anesthesia. तुझको मैं तेरे को बुला लूँगी मैं तेरे को बुला लूँगी Yes, I do want to open my own setup as well eventually, but first I want to practice and I want to learn more. I want to make sure that I work for some time and then start my own practice. So Korea is at the top of its game when it comes to beauty. And that's the reason why everybody wants to come to Korea and they want to learn from them. Also, their eye to detail is really amazing. They really make sure that you do a good job and you take care of the clients that you're handling. So when it comes to beauty, I think Korea is the answer, and in fact Mikwang Academy is one of the best academies. Korea Mikwang Beauty Academy 조야요.
Congratulations, 푸자. 우리 푸자가 반영구 화장 11 코스가 이제 오늘 마무리인데요. 여러분, 우리 푸자는 헤어라인에 좀 집중해서 교육을 했거든요. 아주 그냥 자신감 업 해서 수업이 끝났습니다. 헤어라인, 아이라인 해보고 어때? 좋았어요, 푸자?
Yeah, I feel very confident after doing the hairline. I feel really good.
이야, 처음에 아이라인 무서워서 못하겠다고 그러더니 아주 어제 잘하던데 우리 푸자. 아주 기대됩니다, 여러분. 인도에서 푸자가 헤어 쪽과 반영구를 겸해서 닥터니까 같이 오픈할 예정입니다. 많은 기대해 주세요, 여러분. 축하해 주세요. 여러분, 우리 푸자가 디플로마를 받습니다. 네, 우리 푸자 아주 열심히 공부 잘했고요. 좋은 성적, 시험도 쳤습니다. 좋은 성적으로 졸업했습니다. 여러분, 푸자 많이 기대해 주세요.
Thank you.
눈 찍을 때는 이렇게 핀과 정확하게 새끼손가락을 바닥에 지지한 다음에 이렇게 소리가 사운드.
아니, 동인.
No, haven't. You put the needle more. Insert the
오케이,
needle.
이게 들어간 거야.
Now okay.